Hi guys, I got some dollar store flowers and a vase also from the dollar store. And I'm going to show y'all how to make these look like those commercial flowers that you get on the internet. They cost like $1,000. I previously already cut them. And we just gotta bend them a bit because it does got wire. They were kind of hard to cut, so you might get some wire cutter. Try to make them all the same length, because that looks a whole lot better. I'll make them, all the same length. There we go. Get that off of there. There you go. So we're all going to put them in this little container. There we go. See guys, look like beautiful professional flowers. All only cost $2.